I have to share a funny nursing story of something that I did a long, long time ago that I have never confessed on the internet, but I think it's gonna make you guys laugh. So I'm just gonna put my big girl panties on and share it. So I have a bad habit of when I'm going to empty my patient's Foley's at the end of my shift, of filling the canister to the brim and then having to very, very slowly walk to the toilet to dump it in the toilet. So that way I don't like spill everywhere. I don't know why I refuse to make two trips. I could easily make two trips. It probably would actually save me time, but I just like to risk it every single time. It's a bad habit. A long time ago, I was doing that same thing at the end of my shift. It's like dark in the room, my patient's sleeping, and I'm like filling up the Foley in the canister. And I have filled it so full to the top that I'm like, there is no way I can make it to the bathroom. I happen to be right next to the sink in the room. And so I was just like, there's no way I can walk another 10, 15 feet. Like, I'm just gonna like dump it into the sink. And so that's what I did. I literally just like dumped this liter of urine in the sink. At the same exact time, another nurse walks into my room and she's like, "What are you doing?" I was like, I know it looks really bad, but like it was really full and I didn't want to walk all the way to the bathroom and I didn't want to make two trips. So I just dumped it in the sink. I know it's kind of gross. I did rinse it out. I don't know if that made it any better, but I have not done that since this day, and I would like to say I learned my lesson, but I probably didn't.